Hey, I think we'll have to stay here for the night. Why? The binoculars showed me that they are still there. Yeah, demanding another protection payment, I think. It's typical. You have a problem and think it'll just go away if you ignore it. It's never true, is it? Especially not anymore. We'll have to deal with him at some point, but right now we just have to be careful about getting home. The sooner we can transport all our loot over there, the sooner we can gather the troops and give them hell. Hostages. That might be a good plan. Just grab whoever they send to collect and see what we can squeeze out of them. You know, I always thought we were a good team. You strategize, but you also go full fight or die mode as soon as it gets tough. I'll keep track of logistics and where we're going. It works. Accomplishing anything as just two people is hard with how the world's gone to shit. A cure. I wouldn't count on it. This is us now. These hot dogs look just about done. What a treat. At least looting gives us better food. Yeah, let's eat. You hear that? Kill the fire. Grab the food and get inside the tent. What do you think that was? Yeah, it really sucks. Could be anything from a squirrel to a zombie to one of those bandits. Thank God we heard it. This is getting creepy. I feel like we've been sitting still here forever. Should we just sleep? Yeah, thought so. Ugh, I'm just too worked up. I don't know if I'm going to be able to sleep. We could talk for a bit. I have a question I wanted to ask you. Before all of this, what did you work as? Really? I was a doctor. Used to save people's lives daily from a comfortable air-conditioned workspace. Now, everyone's frequently drenched in a week's worth of sweat, while fighting tooth and nail just for their own life. It's a cliche, but we really should have appreciated what we had. You think things never truly change? I suppose that's true, in a sense. I can name a number of comforts I miss, though. Was it really that bad for you before? Oh, right. Yeah. I don't know. I mean, I wish I could see it that way. I'm not sure if that makes me grateful or pessimistic. We're probably both 80 years old before things start resembling a modern world. Hell, that's assuming we even live that long. Hmm? Really? You don't have to talk about it, but I really feel like you must have been through a lot, even when things were normal. The kind of worldview you get when life chews you up only to spit you back out. Seems accurate. Hmm. I really appreciate you here, and I hope you can find some sort of happiness in all of this mess. You can imagine that? Good. I guess we just have to cling to our hope and survive day to day. And if we die, we should do so with no regrets. You like that philosophy because you don't fear death. Maybe we should try to sleep again. We'll worry about tomorrow when it comes. We did what we could today, so let's go to bed with a smile on our faces. I think we deserve as much. You're down for that. Alright. Good night, partner. Appreciate having you around. Nice to hear. Sleep tight.